Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be looking at the 2019 HSC Standard Mathematics 2 exam, and in particular question 28. Now this question is a blood alcohol content problem. It is worth 4 marks. So I suggest that you pause the video now and go through the problem before watching the rest of the video. Okay, so with this problem, it's stating the formula below is used to calculate an estimate for blood alcohol content, BAC, for females. The number of hours required for a person to reach 0 BAC after they stop consuming alcohol is given by the following formula. So time equals BAC over 0.015. And then in the question here, the number of standard drinks in a glass of wine and a glass of spirits is shown. So wine, it's 1.2 standard drinks to the glass, and spirits, it's 1 standard drink to the glass. Now in the problem, it's telling me that Hannah weighs 60 kilograms. She has consumed 3 glasses of wine and 4 glasses of spirits between 6:15 p.m. and 12:30 a.m. the following day. She then stopped drinking alcohol. Using the given formula, calculate the time in the morning when Hannah's BAC should reach 0. So time in the morning. So there's 2 parts to this problem. First of all, I need to identify what her BAC level is at 12:30 a.m. And from that point, I'll be able to identify how long it's going to take for her to get back to 0. So what I'm going to do to begin with, I need to identify the number of standard drinks she's had. So standard drinks, and the way I'm going to calculate that, she's had 3 glasses of wine, and in each glass is 1.2 standard drinks. And then she's had 4 spirits, and in each glass there's 1 standard drink. So that's going to work out to be 7.6 standard drinks. Okay, now the number of hours that she's drinking for. So it's from 6:15 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. So that's 6 hours and 15 minutes, or you can think of it as 6.25, 6 1/4 hours. Okay, now I'm going to work out and calculate her BAC. So using the formula below, I'm going to substitute that information in. So 10 multiplied by the number of standard drinks minus 7.5 multiplied by the number of hours all over 5.5 times the mass, which was 60. Now, if I type that all into my calculator, that'll give me a number that's like this, 0.088257, and it continues on. Now, I'm going to use that number to help me identify the time. So with the time, what I'm going to do is use that number that I've got in my calculator and divide it by that 0.015. And if I do that, it's going to work out to be 5 hours, 53 minutes. Now that's to the nearest minute. Okay, so now finally, therefore, time to 0 BAC, what we need to do, it's going to be 12:30 a.m. plus 5 hours and 53 minutes. So if I add 5 hours and 53 minutes to 12:30 a.m., that's going to work out to be 6:23 a.m. So that's saying that Hannah's BAC should reach 0 at 6:23 a.m.